Uptown Swing, level 4.
Right. We started with like an exercise where you came up with variations essentially, or more like shared variations that you do a lot and gave them to other people, and other people figured out how to incorporate them into their
It was also a little practice exercise, so we said take this, go forth, and kind of use each other to inspire yourselves.
Then we did some Charleston. Because there are some places in Charleston where you could also use variations, and one of those places is hand-to-hand Charleston.
So we had this little pop entrance into it, like this. Hey, oh, and kick.
And then you went hand-to-hand. And the variations we did, they reminded you of this drum. It can be 1, 4, 5. Then we used in the middle. Then you have this drum and log thing. You could do it with a heel click. And then finally we have the one where you go down. So it goes like this. These are the variations we did on hand-to-hand.
And that's what we did this week. We'll come back with more Charleston next week. Thanks, bye!